Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to port forward for a Minecraft server, or port forward anything else, as long as you know what port you want to forward. For Minecraft, the default port forward is 25565. If you haven't already changed it, which you are unlikely to have, it still will be 25565. So you're going to open this program that I'll have in the description to download. It's called Simple Port Forwarding. Yours will probably have a picture there, but I did something to mine and something went wrong. But yeah, so you want to open Simple Port Forwarding. So easy, you won't believe it. So when it's loaded, this is a free program. You don't have to pay for it unless you want to get the pro version, which you don't really need. It would be helpful because sometimes you have to do it. Sometimes you have to do it over and over again. That's why you have to have the static IP and the add ports Windows firewall. That's why you need pro version, but you don't really need it. You could just carry on doing it over and over again every few days. But so basically, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to find your route out on here. It's a massive list. There'll be like thousands of them on. I already know what mine is. Mine's Netgear VMDG 280. But if yours isn't on there, you want to just click over here, update router list, and then just press it and it'll update. But so I've already found mine. I'll come up with a picture of your box. So once you've done that, you can press this button here, and it'll automatically find your router IP. Then you just press OK, and it automatically will find your internet IP. Oh, and by the way, you have to be connected to your internet for it to work. So you press that, and 99% of the time your username will be admin and your password will be change me. I don't know how to find your password without you actually calling up your provider, but it will be change me though. I can 99% sure. If it's not, your username isn't admin, just press this button here and it'll find your username for you. You're using it on the internet, but I don't want to do that. But try admin and change me first, because everybody starts off like that unless you've done something to it. This change me is not your password to log on to your internet, it's your router password. So don't try putting that in, just put admin and change me. So you want to start off by clicking select your route. Oh, I've done that one. Sorry, you don't do, once you've clicked update your router list and done that and done everything, you want to click choose which ports you want to forward. And it'll bring up like this page here. Click add custom. You want to just put your first one as 123. Put the type TCP, start port 25565, end port 25565. And every time you do this, just click refresh on here. Otherwise, it might go a bit dodgy. So once that's refreshed, and you just click add. And now I'll bring up the second one. As you can see, it's came up down there. So now into the second one. I'm going to call this one 1232. And put type as TCP. Start port. No, sorry, not TCP. UDP. Start port as 25565. 25565. And then again, just press refresh here, just in case it's changed. And just press add. And then you can close this down. So once that's like that, and you just check over it, the number there is the same as it is there, but if you press the refresh, it should be. And the name doesn't really matter as long as it's 1, 2, or something, and then the same thing, and then 2 doesn't really matter that much. But then one of them's got to be TCP, and the other's got to be UDP. I don't want to update it. But once you've done that, you click update router here, and then it'll ask you to log in. And mine will pop up saying something about my password's not very strong, but it'll do that for you always, just ignore that. And then it will literally do everything for you. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see it. It types all the codes in for you and everything. And then just leave that to do that. If you want a video on how to do it without having to go across, a video on how to do it without having to use Simple Port Forwarding, it's just as easy. I'm not sure about any other providers, but for Virgin Media, it's just as easy. Should be about the same. So once you've done that, it'll say over here, done, all commands finished. And then you can just click this off. Then you want to go on test that the ports now work. You press do it now, it's over here. And then it'll bring up this page and you press begin. And then you'll see here it's checking, and it should say success on both of them. Success. Success. And now you can simply just click all this off, and then you can open up your server, start your server, and it should work. But if it says it was a success on the port forwarding there and it doesn't work on your Minecraft server when you try and join, then it isn't the port forwarding that's the problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please rate, comment and subscribe if you've found this video helpful. Thanks.